Hello everyone, and this is going to be my presentation on how to make stress your friend and how to feel more comfortable in your own skin when going up in front of a bunch of people to speak. We may sometimes have feelings that come out of nowhere, or maybe you are faced with an apparent threat. Each will provoke natural chemical to be released. That chemical is called oxytocin, the hugging hormone. It is associated with social interaction and can be seen as a specific primary language, but also in non-human mammals. The neuropeptide oxytocin has a central role in general behavioral regulation, particularly in positive social interactions. Well, this is what I would associate with the universal language of everything. What I do, and what has always helped, is listening to certain musics. And since a very young age, they always put on the Charlie Brown Christmas music, and that always has been imprinted in my brain as something that just kind of brings me down from a level of stress. And I think it's a great avenue to get your stress out and to keep you productive. And I put it on every Monday to get through my heaviest workload. The chemical oxytocin reinforces trust and promotes interactions in people. These neuropeptides that are naturally occurring can cause one to feel anxiety amongst all other sporadic emotions that can feel overwhelming and some. Personally, I have suffered with anxiety, and I have taught myself to trust my mind and my way of thinking, and I can ground myself once again. All right, thank you everyone. This is my presentation, and I'm looking forward to listening to y'all's. All right, thank you.